so hard to find a parking spot where people can't stare at me, but also has good lighting. Struggles! I just wanted to show you guys some stuff that I got at Old Navy recently. They had a bunch of like winter accessories that were 75% off, and I also got a couple of sweatpants. Not for me, for Jonah, but yeah. They were $6, so yeah, I just want to show you guys some of that. So the first thing I got was some mittens. They are like almost like ribbed knit looking. They're just really basic. They're really super soft. Like the outside is a really like plushy material and the inside is lined with like a really nice fleece. I found that before when I was busing, I really needed like heavy winter accessories, but now I just need things that are like really just nice and light. I think these are normally $15, so I got them for like $4, $3.75. I also got a bunch of these like fingerless gloves because I can still like use my phone and like do things, but if I want, then they can become mittens. They just kind of flap over. I love them because you have the option to be warmer if you need to be, but if you want to use your fingers, you can. Like these are like my favorite type of gloves for winter, so I got them in this pink color. I also got them in black because I thought black is really classic. It'll probably last longer than any of the other pairs. And then I got this dark gray pair. And when I got the gray mittens, I decided to get the matching scarf. Pretty warm, really soft. I love that all of these accessories, none of them are like itchy or woolly. They're just really warm and very plushy. So I got this and I thought the two together would be really cute. I like having my accessories match. Makes me feel put together. I don't want to take it off now. It's so nice. And then I got this gray one, and this one isn't an infinity scarf like the chunky one. It got a whole bunch of different types of gray texture in it, but it's like a light gray. It kind of matches the fleece mittens that I got, like not exactly, almost basically. The scarves were a little bit more expensive. They were about $5 or $6. The last one I got is actually a black and white one. Do you guys know the purple one that I wore like every single day in my last vlog? Well, I got a black and white version of it. If I love it that much, this one at 75% off for a second one, I'm like, hell yeah. Because clearly I love the first one. I wear it all the time. But I think black and white is actually really nice. It's quite classic looking, so I like it. It'll go with everything. Two sweatpants for Jonah because they were $6. They're just like a very basic pair of sweatpants. Materials like tri-blend. So it's like a blend of different materials, slim, straight leg. And then I got literally the exact same pair in like a super dark gray with the speckles. And they were $6 each. So I was like, I like him. I'll get him some sweatpants. So that's everything I've bought in like the past couple weeks from Old Navy. Also, a few weeks ago, Bath & Body Works had a sale. They had a bunch of like their car like scent portable thing. I got Endless Weekend, which is kind of more of like a cologne scent, but it's one of my favorite. Vanilla Bean Noel, which is a classic scent. It's like very vanilla, very sweet, one of my all-time favorites. I got Winter Candy Apple, which is like a super like sweet Christmassy scent. Basically what it smells like, just like a candy apple. And I got the Aromatherapy Stress Relief Eucalyptus and Spearmint. Again, one of my all-time favorites. It's like a really clean scent. And now I'm going to go to work and have people stop staring at me like I'm a weirdo. Yay! So I got home, I noticed there's a pink mailer for me, and I noticed that it's from Ipsy. And I'm so confused because you guys remember when I had Ipsy? I canceled it a long time ago, like over a year ago. I completely canceled my like membership. Now all of a sudden I get home and there's an Ipsy Bay for me. I freak out. I just don't need it. Like, I don't know. I don't want to start getting resubscribed to this thing because it's just not worth it for me. And I just was like kind of freaked out because I was like, oh god, did they reactivate my account? Did they start charging me again? The card that it has on file, no charges to the card at all. I'm not really sure what happened, but this is a December Ipsy Bay. Please comment down below or let me know in any way if you received a random Ipsy bag this month you were charged for or you weren't charged for or you just weren't expecting. Like, I have no idea what happened, but I just have a random Ipsy bag here. Random Ipsy unboxing! This is great video content. My life has so much drama. Keep an eye out for my next video because either my next video or the video after the unboxing to it in hopefully the next video or next week or whenever the next video comes up. That's gonna be the unboxing. Good morning, guys. It's the next day and I have a bit of an earlier shift and I have a coupon for a free 7-Eleven coffee I got in the mail, so I'm gonna go and get some coffee and then go to work. Yay! So I got my free medium coffee. This is her. Hello. Yeah, I just got a coupon in the mail saying it was free and I got it and it was free. So that's good. I didn't realize that, first off, they have really good coffees. They taste really good. They had like 6 different kinds, and they actually have like expensive creamers in there. Brand name, like expensive creamers. They have like French vanilla, they have hazelnut, and it's free. You can like use as many as you want in your coffee. I'm actually like thoroughly surprised. That was so nice. And I have a bagel from home that's like plain with just cream cheese. And that's gonna be my breakfast. Yay, I'm so excited. My coffee is like this color. It's like super light and yellowy. So much sugar, so much cream, and like barely any coffee.